Morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, wherever you are in the world. FX Warrior here, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at some indicators that will help you to get proper exits in the market. Now, if you clicked on this video, chances are you're looking for a way to get out of a winning trade or losing trades when the trade is no longer going in your desired direction. Okay. Now, what do I mean? For example, if you are in a winning position. Now, let me just zoom out of this market. First of all, just scroll it down so I don't know what happened in the past. Also, I can just change the time frame on the daily, so I can just go to like a 15 minutes time frame, and then I'll just zoom back a little bit, and then just a couple times more, 1, 2, 3, and then let's expand this. Let's expand this a little bit this way. Let's get it expanded. Just like this. Simple. Yeah, simple. Now, why did I do that? I just want you guys to know that this can work on any time frame and on any random markets, and the concepts can work regardless of the markets you're looking at. Now, let's look at this current market. This market is in a downtrend, right? Yeah, it's in a downtrend. Now, let's say you took a sell right here. Where would you have loved to exit this market? A lot of people say somewhere down here, but is that realistic to get out at the bottom of the market every single time? Well, I would disagree, because it's impossible to always get out at the bottom. But I would personally like to get out before all of these green random candles, right? Remember, I don't know this market. I just randomly zoomed this market and we got right here, right? Okay, what if I took a sell right here? I would love to get out before all of this bullish action right here. Let me circle it out. Before here, I would like to get out of this market. And if I sold here, before this zone here, I would like to get out of this market. If I sold here, before this bullish candle, I would like to get out of the market, right? And it's going to be the same thing for buys. Maybe if we have buy examples, but I'm going to go to that, right? Please watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a special indicator that also does a similar thing that helps you to exit. Now, it doesn't matter if you're using price action or you're using indicator-based trading. You can use this indicator I'm about to give you for exiting trades. Now, I'm going to click on the indicators tab on TradingView, and I'm just going to type RVI, and you're going to see this indicator here that's called Relative Vigor Index. You can also go ahead and type that out completely, and you just type Relative Vigor Index, and you're going to get the indicator that I'm about to give to you. Now, this is how it looks. It's just a 2 lines cross indicator. What we mean by 2 lines cross is that we have 2 lines here. First of all is the green line, which represents bullish momentum, and the red line, which represents bearish momentum, right? So when the blue line crosses to the upside, it means bullish momentum is coming in, and it's most like your best. You should take your profits at that particular time. That's when the blue line crosses to the top. We have bullish momentum coming in. Now, remember, we didn't cherry pick these markets. I had to randomly zoom in and zoom out, whatever, to get this particular price action. So imagine you sold right here. I'm going to put a line here. Now, where does it tell you to get out? You got into a lot of profits, right? Told you to get out right on this red candle, because it was sensing some bullish momentum coming in. So on this red candle, Control V, you got out on this red candle. Not the best example here. So that was it. So the market ranged for a while. If you know how we teach on this channel, volume indicators are what we use for offsetting or removing ranging markets. Now we had another, maybe we got another, what do you call it? Another signal right here. So let's say we sold right here or right here, to be more realistic. Where does this indicator tell us to exit the market? Can go down this way. Okay. This one too was a little bit late, right? That's why I say I don't fake these videos. I just give you, since concept I've tested, I know will work. Yeah. That's just how I do it. Now let's say we buy right here. Obviously there's no reason to buy, because the moving average is currently above price, which means the price is bearish. But if we bought here, where does it tell us to exit? You can see where it told us to exit. Very good exit at this red candle. Now you can see if you had held a buy from here, if you had held the buy from right here, if you had held this buy, what will happen to your stop loss? You would have taken a -1, right? And that was how you would have lost on that particular trade. But you can see using exit indicators, you were able to abstain or stay out of this particular loss if you were trying to buy. Let me get rid of all these whites. Too many whites on the screen right now. Let me just get rid of them. Good. Now imagine we're trying to sell this market right here on this big red candle. For any reason, whether your indicator told you to sell or something of that nature. Now this is where you would have exited this trade. Let's go down right here on this other candle here. Why did the market tell you to exit? You can see how consolidation started to happen and there was no clear momentum. I can promise you guys that if we go to a market or if we go to a period where there is clear momentum, you would clearly be able to catch a very large move. Okay. Now let's just go a little bit. Yeah. Right here, price was just ranging, no clear direction. Let's say maybe you bought right here on this green candle. There has not been any phenomenal move in the market so far, so that's just why we are just not getting that good of a move. Now you can see right here, this is a very interesting scenario because both our exit indicator and our charts are not really that clean. Right here, we had a cross up, which doesn't mean anything. Remember, if we are going up, we are looking for this exit indicator to cross down, okay? Right here, remember, we're not taking the buy because of this indicator right here. So even though it was down this way, it really didn't matter. So we had to wait. It crossed up, which is not what we're looking for. We're looking for a cross down. And then right here on this bullish candle, you can see right there on the bullish candle. Sorry, guys. On this bullish candle right here, alternate V, it told us to exit the trade. You bought here, you exited at almost the very top of the candle. And you can see this is true, and I'm not faking it because I have shown you other examples that it wasn't really a great exit. But regardless, I will still post this video because we do not fake content here. So all around this zone, price ranged. Personally, your volume indicator would have kept you out of taking trades around here. If you are taking a sell, maybe around here, okay? Maybe you took a sell around here for some reason. Let's see how long your exit indicator had kept you in the game. Now you took a sell right here. You're just going to wait for the price to cross up, okay? You're going to wait for the price of this indicator to cross up. So, if you wait for, you're just going to trail. Okay, not trail. You have to wait for it. So if you follow this price, you will see that it got us out right here, right on this candle right here. The price we're able to get out of this particular trade. Now you sold here, you held this trade till down here. Obviously the price went a lot lower. So given the way we teach on this channel, there are other ways to re-enter the markets. So if you had re-entered maybe on this other candle here, based on some form of confirmation, you will still see that it got you out. See right there? No, right here. It got you out right here. So basically, why it's giving fast signals, that's why some people might use RVI as their entry and exit indicators, and they'll end up taking tons and tons of losses. It's because these indicators are not meant for, this indicator is not meant for entries, and if you use it for entries, you're going to end up blowing your account. Now we've looked at a lot of examples, yeah? Here there's a clear momentum, so if we had bought here, on this candle right here, on this candle right here, or maybe here, we had bought here for some reason, we would have held all of these trees to the upside and exited right here. Now, 90% of the time, so like 40% of the time, the market is in a trend. The other 60%, the market is in a range. So during that range, you want to get out as fast as possible. If you keep on holding your trades in most of these type of choppy markets, what will you get? Tons and tons of losses. And is there really an edge you're developing for yourself? I would say no. Okay. So, but when the markets do trend, you want to be still able to stay inside all of the moves and not end up blowing your account. So let's say you go into a sell here. See how this indicator was consistent up till this point right here, where it told you to exit, right? and you caught a majority of this move, even though you didn't get out at the very bottom of the market. Now I said I'm going to give you guys a bonus which will help you to exit trades. I'm just going to click on the indicators tab here, and I'm going to type UT bots alert, and we are going to select this first one by Quant Nomad. Now I've seen a lot of people profile these indicators on their channel using it as entry and exit indicator. I personally won't use it as that. I want to use this indicator to exit my trades when the trade is no longer going in our favor. Now let's look at how this particular indicator beats the RVI indicator. Remember, the RVI was just telling us get out here, get out here, get out here. What did the UT bot tell us? It told us to sell here. Let's say we sold here, we would have held this trade down to this buy, which is literally the bottom of the market. Then what happened next? The market went in some form of a range, right? You can see if you had bought here, it told you to sell right here, which is also the top of the range. If you sold here, it told you to get out here, which is like at the low of the range, but basically on a very big candle, which might not be that fun. So you can see how this is very, very good for exiting trades. I'm not cherry picking, guys, so you know this is actually legit. This indicator, personally, I'll use it for exiting of trades, so that you can get more profits, right? For example, look at this sell right here. You would have exited on this buy candle, which means your exit is going to be around this zone. Okay, so these are some indicators you can use for exiting trades in the market. I also have another one I'm going to show you guys, which is the Trix. Yeah, the Trix, and you can select this one by Everget. It's a very cool indicator. This one is even simpler to use. You exit a sell trade when you see a green. For example, this trade that is right here. Let me zoom in on this trade. This trade that is right here that you took here, you exit when you see a green, which it gave you an exit right on this particular candle, which is not so great, but yeah, it's functional. And then if you had sold right here, you would wait until you get a green candle, which is around here. So you would have exited around this zone of the candle. So if this video was helpful for you, smash the like button, leave a subscribe, and then share this video to your friends so that they can easily implement this concept in their own trading algorithm. If you want genuine content and helpful content like this on forex and trading, just subscribe to this channel. You're not going to regret it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.